Hello and welcome to the MailerLite Magic. My name is Ruthie Gray from ruthiegray.mom. Today we'll be talking about forms and how to create landing pages. I love MailerLite, especially for their landing pages. There are so many things you can do. And first I'm going to just show you a few that I have created. This actually is a landing page that I created not for people to actually sign up for email. I was in a hurry one day and needed a landing page for a new e-course that I created. And so I used this. And let's see if I can make it smaller or if I can get it to come down. Yeah. So look at this. Look what I did. I mean, and I'm not even artistic, really. You know, I'm musical, but not artistic. So this was a way for people to just look at my product that I had for sale. And actually, no, it is for sale. And I don't use this really as a landing page for that now, but you actually could. Anyway, that is just one example of a landing page that I created. Let me show you a few others because I have had so much fun creating landing pages for my magnets. Okay, so here is one. Here's a blogger magnet that I have, and if you subscribe, you get 25 surefire tips for a successful email challenge. This was featured on the Money Making Mom's new website called Your Blogging Mentor. She asked me to actually write a blog post for her to post on Your Blogging Mentor about email challenges. And I have done a lot. That's why I have so many forms. Let me show you another that has been really, really popular. Actually brings most of my traffic. If I can get to it. Woo! Here we go. This one. Clutter free. It's called 31 Days to a Clutter-Free Mind. And I get subscribers all the time for this, and a couple times a year I get massive amounts of subscribers because it's how to just declutter your mind, and it's a 7-day email, and then you get follow-ups, and it's a personal way for me to contact or for the readers to contact me, and it is really good. But I have enjoyed that as much as the readers have, I think. And then let me just show you one more that I made that I think is really cute. I haven't showed you my main blogger magnet yet either. So this, the Yell Free Blueprint is one. And this is for mommies who are tired of yelling. And who isn't. So this is a 5-day plan, 5-day email series that's gotten a lot of traction as well. And so you can write what's under each day, and then at the bottom, actually at the top, they sign up. You can design these yourself. So what you do is, and I'll show you my main one, my main form that is the lead magnet for my blog, because this is where my target audience camps out. My blog, by the way, used to be called Release Regroup, and it is the same content, only under a new name, which is mine, ruthiegray.mom. I love that you can copy these URLs and they're just landing pages and you can share them. So this is the Wife and Mommy Survival Kit. for moms who are overwhelmed and need some support. They get 6 powerful scripture prayers and lots of other goodies, plus my MTO closed Facebook group, Mom Time Out, for moms tired of blowing it. Now, in the next video, I will show you how to create a landing page. Ooh, ooh.